So I was creating an app for my personal use, and came up with an interesting login routine that might suit you better than the other screencasts I've previously posted. This one does not require a component to load. It's strictly working off, so the design here is I have a header container that I've got marked as header, and this is a container called main, and this is where the whole application that I want to be protected by the login resides, is right in this container. And importantly, I've given it an ID of main. It can be whatever name you want, but you need to remember the ID. So if we go to the outline to document, and we go to events on load, this is the first thing that will happen when the document loads, the index. First thing it's going to do is it's going to put the current user, so WAF directory current user, into this variable vUser. If vUser equals null, so there's no one successfully logged in, it's going to call on that main container. See the ID? Main, and then the function destroy. So $main.destroy, and what that does, it takes that widget out of the DOM, and it becomes invisible, non-accessible, non-existent. Back on the index page, the other element we need to work on is this login widget. We've got two scripts, on login and on logout. So let's start with on logout. So you're using the application, you've got full view, you hit logout, it's going to call this. The same thing as before, calling on the main container, destroy. That's going to remove the view, and you're logged out. If you hit the main page and it senses that you are not logged in, does not view or show the view, what's going to happen is, so you've logged in, click the login button, we're going to do the same thing, detect if there's a current user. If the vUser does not equal null, so it is successfully logged in, we're going to do a redirect, window.location equals the exact same page, index.html. As soon as you do that, it's going to reload the page, redo the check, and leave the view in place. So let me demonstrate this. I'll just save everything. Here is the app. So the only thing showing without a logged in user is the header section with the login. I'm going to log in, and boom, the main component or container shows up. If we refresh, it still sees that I'm logged in. If we hit log out, it destroys the container. Now if I refresh, still not visible. So I thought this was a nice clean little login method that I wanted to share with you.